I'm Rayan. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Aed Energy. We are developing a thermal battery that's tackling the issue of how do we bridge the gap between cheap renewable energy, the availability of shorter duration batteries, and then the rest of the day where fossil fuels has to fill that gap. We're solving the problem of the lack of long duration energy storage to be able to bridge the gap. And we do this by thermal storage. We're building a thermal battery that basically takes electricity and heats like a giant toaster. We heat very, very low cost thermal storage material, in our case, salt. And what that does is that we can contain a lot of energy. And when we need to, we can send it back out as electricity for multiple industrial uses, desalination, food processing plants. And finally, we can also deliver that same energy as heat for industrial use. In summary, 24/7 renewable energy, that promise, that's what we're doing. In terms of our technology, delivering power, low-grade heat and high-grade heat has real catalytic impact on multiple industries that currently today they do not have any choice other than to continue to burn fossil fuels. This is why our focus to develop a system that is as low cost as possible, meaning the use of very low cost thermal storage, and a system that is as least complex as possible from an energy user point of view. We're here to displace widely available generators, something that's accessible, that's easy to use, and that you can plug and play in various markets. The greenhouse supported us tremendously as a deep tech, green tech company by, first of all, connecting us at the center of deep tech and clean tech education, engineering. Being at scale space within Imperial College was a huge help to us, both in terms of attracting talent and resources. Having that network around you helped us tremendously. The wide network of collaborators that support that mission. I absolutely encourage anyone who's a startup to apply to the greenhouse. You will not regret it. You'll be part of a community that constantly updates the opportunities for funding, different investment events, collaborators. So it's a no-brainer. If you're in that space, I would highly recommend you apply for the greenhouse. So what's next for Aed Energy? We're scaling, we're looking for partners, we're always talking to investors who share in our mission. And from a development point of view, we highly focus on building the customer version of our unit. So we want to build the first pilot. We're talking to several industrial users where we can develop that. And it's absolutely critical for us to be able to get to user acceptance, which is build a pilot and have a certification around that. So we're sitting here at our facility in North Acton. Our landlord is Imperial College, and the connection was directly through Undaunted when we were at Scale Space. We were given the opportunity to look at a facility where, as we were growing and as our team were growing, we took out a lease on this industrial facility where we installed our first demo unit. That's a tremendous milestone. I think the UK is one of the tier places to start a business, and we need to remind ourselves of it. Believe it or not, it's a very positive environment, and there's a huge amount we can do from the UK. I think we're doing a lot, but it needs to be recognized and taken a step forward. Don't be shy about it.